only 6.7% of our court infrastructure at the district level is female friendly. We must also ensure that our courts provide a safe and accommodating environment for all members of our society. We must also confront the biases which we may unwittingly have towards our colleagues at the bar and the bench. Must, without any question, change the fact that only 6.7% of our court infrastructure at the district level is female friendly. Is this acceptable today in a nation where, at the basic level of recruitment in some states, over 60 or 70% of the recruits are women? Our focus areas are on increasing accessibility measures, which can be understood by carrying out infrastructural audits, opening in court medical facilities, creches, and technological projects like e-Seva Kendras and video conferencing devices. These endeavors aim to increase access to justice. Axiomatically, we must also ensure that our courts provide a safe and accommodating environment for all members of our society, in particularly for groups such as women and other vulnerable groups such as persons with disability, members of the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, and people across the socio-economic landscape. With the increasing number of women coming into the judiciary, we must also confront the biases which we may unwittingly have towards our colleagues at the bar and the bench. Being a judge at its heart is a calling to dispense justice. To this end, we must consciously introspect that our legal reasoning does not wield the mighty hand of the law to perpetuate existing prejudices. Inclusivity in the judiciary is a reflection of our broader commitment to equality and justice. Some key measures in this endeavor are: 1. Developing a comprehensive framework for gender equality in decision making. 2. Adopting measures to recruit, train, retain, and promote members from diverse and vulnerable groups. And 3. Monitoring the impact of gender equality initiatives. The well-being of our judges, both personal and professional, has a vital stake in the overall health of our judicial institution. Judges deal with distress, and that distress affects them mentally and physically. Addressing this issue requires us to recognize the unique stressors of judicial work, enabling a robust support system, and prioritizing mental health and wellness initiatives. We must start by destigmatizing the conversation around mental health and foster an open and supportive environment for our judges to function. Judicial wellness is not a personal concern, but a democratic imperative for upholding the rule of law and maintaining public confidence. It is with that view in mind that yesterday we had one whole session developed on the lines of judicial wellness, at which the head of the government's flagship project, the Ayush Hospital at Sarita Vihar, Dr. Tanuja Nesari, gave us words of wisdom and her knowledge.